Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Somi and I'm here with another interesting video. I haven't posted in a while because I've been like really sick. Like I've been under the weather for some time now, but now I'm back and I'm going to be posting videos constantly. Yeah, also I made a post last week and I was like wanting to know like your opinion on the videos you want to be seeing on my video on my channel, and a majority of you guys want to be seeing more of tutorial videos. So this video is actually going to be a tutorial video on how to recreate this eyeshadow look that you're seeing on me right now, and I'm sure you guys are loving it. So keep watching this interesting video and don't go anywhere. So after doing my brows and applying concealer on my eyelid, I'm going to use a sellotape or a plaster to put at the side of my eyes to like towards the tail of my eyebrow. Then I'm going to use my Ezekiel powder palette to set the concealer on my eyelid. So I'm going to make sure it's properly like set so that I can as a base for my eyeshadow. And then the first eyeshadow I'm going to apply is dark pink, and it's going to be at the top part of the eyelid, like close to the eyebrow. You're going to make sure that you blend it very well, and you're going to blend it towards the plaster or the sellotape. So once you've done that, you're going to apply dark brown mixed together with black eyeshadow on your crease area, and then you're going to make sure you really blend it well to avoid harsh lines between the two colors. So you're going to also blend it and extend it to the sellotape as well, like you did in the first time. Then you're going to put a black eyeshadow as a wing for the eyes, and using your concealer and a brush, you're going to create a cut crease, but the cut crease is not going to be as high as the ones I normally do. You're going to make sure this one is as low as possible but still in your crease area, and then you're going to make sure that it's very neat. So that's what you're going to do now. Then now I'm going to set my concealer, and then I'm going to apply a shiny pink eyeshadow on the cut crease. So after that, I'm going to use a brown eyeshadow as a transition shade for the black and the pink eyeshadow. So after that, I'm going to remove the sellotape or the plaster from my eyes, and you can see what it did to the eyeshadow. It made it easier for you. So now I'm going to apply the brown eyeshadow under my eyes, and this is how it looks after putting on the lashes and putting my eyeliner. So you should actually try this eyeshadow. It's very easy and very simple. So this is all for today's video. See you in my next tutorial video. Bye.